Hey folks, welcome back to Goth on the Budget. There's more of you. Welcome to the Weird Wagon. Drinks not included. Anyways, let's get started on this project. I am making a D.I.Y. Gothic flower bouquet using these floral foam I found at Dollar Tree. I don't recommend the first one. The first one sucks, don't get that one. Get the soft one. Also, these flowers, I know I'm moving too fast. These flowers were only at Dollar Tree that I could find of. I thought they were cuter than the ones at 99-cent store. Got little eyeballs, spiders, and skulls, a little bit glittery. I got 3 of each color because I didn't know how much I was gonna need. And right here, I'm grabbing you guys scissors. I'm also gonna grab some clippers because we might need those too. And these little flower pots that I found in the 99-cent store. They were only 99 cents. They're for the Day of the Dead stuff. That Jillian was my cat. And here. Let's get started. If you are over the age of... if you're below the age of 10, you need a parent. Even then, you need a parent. So I'm just going to go over the gist of what I did with this one that I do not recommend from the Dollar Tree or 99-cent store where you find this stupid piece of foam, styrofoam, whatever. It's super hard. I hated it. And I'm just going to tell you what I did. I got a pen, traced it, and then I cut the size to fit the hole because we're sticking it into the flower pot so our bouquet of flowers can stand. I'm using a knife. I was going to use scissors, but a knife is required apparently. But like I said, I don't recommend this one. This was giving me such a hassle no matter what I did with it. The second one I used was just the dry flower stuff that I guess you can get wet too. And it's different than stuff I used when I was a florist. Yeah, I hate this thing so much. But I want you guys to see my failures, because we're all human. Oh, make sure you have a trash can nearby, because this stuff was flaky as fuck. Oh, sorry to new people, I do cuss my videos. This is why I'm not a YouTube star. Okay, now that fucker's done. Next. So this one, I love so much better. I used 2 of the blocks, I believe. This was like a dry foam thing. High recommend. Yeah, I thought I was gonna need one, but eventually you're gonna need 2. Ooh, look at all that foam. So what I'm doing is I'm just measuring it out, and what I did instead of doing the pen, because the pen was fucking useless, excuse me, I just used my knife and just cut the sides, and then I kept cutting it. And like I said before, please have an adult present if you're if you're under the age of 10. Even then, I don't trust 10-year-olds with knives. Just that's my sister. And now I got that nice and cut. On to the next little foamy bee. Funny boy. I should make a video where I'm just cutting these because it was just so satisfying. I'm getting sidetracked, my bad. So after I clean up my massacre of foam, we're gonna cut the flowers. I'm using these clippers that I usually use for my jewelry. I'm just gonna cut at the bottom. We'll cut, you can cut these into shorter strands or longer strands later. This is just to get them off the little bouquet thing. Snap, snap, snip, snip, snip. On to the next ones. You can also use scissors for these. I just like using my wire clippers. Okie dokie. I'm gonna start off the white one, and I'm gonna do these with longer stems. You can also paint the pot too, that's up to you. To each their own. So what I'm doing here actually is I'm trying to envision how the bouquet would look like, or arrangement. I don't know what to call this. So I was gonna do a whole diagonal thing where it's black on one side and then you add the reds to the parts. I know that makes sense. And this is just me adding the little embellishments that were in the bouquet, like the spider and the black glitter skull. I like they kind of have like these creepy little branches on them and things adorbs. But as soon as you get your idea, go ahead and start pushing them into the foam. What you can also do here is either use shorter or long ones, cutting them to size. I'm choosing to do the longer version. So I'm placing them from red and black and then using that pattern. The next I'm adding the black one onto the other side of the red, and I'm going to build up from there. I do recommend use space out your idea, because sometimes it doesn't work. So my idea was to add the red, but I realized red is too close to the other red. So rearranging it so that I can put the red next to the black. Eventually the red does come together, but it comes into this diagonal pattern that I really like. Now, I like to add the little embellishments last because I want to make the skull, especially this little sugar skull thing, center stage, along with a few eyeballs here and there. And the best thing about this foam thing is you can rearrange your flowers as many times as you want. I did put the black leaves down a bit so you don't see the green foam. I think you can also put like a fabric underneath too. And there you have the first one. It's so cute. I love it. I kind of want to paint the pot now. You can use any other flowers too, whether they're from Michael's or Hobby Lobby. I like them because they're cheap. If it's a buck, I'll get it. I don't think I used this foam. I think I changed it midway. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna make this little sugar skull. Keep calling sugar skulls. Center stage. Yeah. And that's from the foam. I had it with the foam. Fuck this foam. Anywho. So. New foam! Yay! And then we got our flowers. I'm actually going to do this one black and purple, my favorite colors. This I'm making a flower center stage. We'll add the little embellishments later, like I said before. Oh shit. I fucked up. I didn't cut these. I pushed them down longer into the pot, making them shorter. And pulling them up so that I can make them taller, especially the skull, because like I said before, one is center stage, not the flower. But the flower, the eyeball one, I wanted to be with it too. This is a different way of using the flowers. Instead of doing the same pattern, I'm just building up around the skull. Oh, before I forget, so Dollar Tree also has these ribbons you can put onto these bouquets. They're really cute. Some have bats, some have skulls. I just like things to be a little simple. Oh, that was fast. And last but not least, putting the last few skulls. I think I have a few spiders. I had some little purple glitter on it too. There we go. So fucking cute. And the great thing about these guys too is you can have these on all year round, or you can use it as a Halloween decoration, office decoration. As we speak, I'm giving this one to my mom, and she's gonna have it in her office. So these are my final pieces for the D.I.Y. Dollar Tree Gothic floral arrangements decor. I hope you guys enjoy your spooky season. And thank you for watching this video. I know it's been a while, but I'm glad you guys are still watching my videos and liking and subscribing. I really do appreciate it. So make sure you guys visit www.gothandbudget.com for more spooky items, and remember to stay spooky.